For price, to be efficient, I use LM. Just this is search for libraries. Search. In here you can search for libraries. Its name should be equal to whatever. No, I just want it to be contained with a star. A star is whatever before, and I want to find this. This is a LM 1117. This is so popular. Let's just search to see. It can't find it. So where we can find it? We should search it on internet, but there is a lot of library that I want to show you. Let's just create a folder here, or just go to drive C, program file, find Altium. Altium is in program file, Altium, and create a folder in here and name it M library, my library. This is an old library that I have, that I will upload it for you. This is old library that I updated over the time, and you can use it. There is a lot of component in it, so we can use it. But now I wanna add what Altium have in their sites and use it in my Altium. How can I import it? Let's just import this first. We go to Altium, click libraries, and install library, install from file. Let's just go to Altium, drive C, program files, Altium, my library, and click here. You see, we install it, and now we can check it. This is my old library. You see, there is a lot of it has 80 mega from old days. There is a lot of things that we can use now, and it's not old. Everybody use it.